Hello my friends, wherever you are, may God's blessings always be with you. Welcome back to my latest video, which documents the process of making a pot using used fabric as a frame. Make sure you watch the entire video, so that you don't miss any details that will be written or explained by me. Have a good time watching. I prepared a gallon of mineral water as a basis for forming a frame. Also prepare used cloth with a length that is approximately the same as the length of the water gallon. Dip the used cloth into a mixture of cement, sand and water. Spread the remaining mixture of cement, sand and water onto the surface of the used cloth. Five hours later, apply a mixture of cement and sand in a 1:1 ratio to the surface of the first layer that has dried. I added reinforcement in the form of pieces of aluminum wire mesh. After this process is complete and the cement thickness is deemed sufficient, leave it for a day and a night so that the cement layer dries completely. Release the gallon of mineral water carefully so the cement doesn't break. Cut and discard any unnecessary parts of the fabric. Use a mixture of cement and sand in a ratio of 1:1, add enough water, as a mixture to make the base of this pot. Use pieces of wire mesh as reinforcement so it doesn't crack or break easily. Place the cement frame, and adjust its position to suit the design, then add pieces of aluminum wire mesh as a frame for the empty side. After this process is complete and the cement thickness is deemed sufficient, leave it for a day and a night so that the cement layer dries completely. Before starting the next process, always wet the cement mixture that has dried, spray or pour water until it is soaked, so that the next layer of cement does not dry out quickly and crack. Make a mixture of cement and calcium carbonate with a ratio of 1:1. Add not too much water, so that the mixture resembles clay. Cover the inside of the cloth with cement mixture until it is completely covered. Also coat the outside of the fabric and attach it to the aluminum wire mesh using cement mixture. After the inside is evenly covered, also cover the aluminum wire frame evenly. After this process is complete, leave it for 24 hours for the cement layer to dry. Make a mixture of cement and calcium carbonate with a ratio of 1:1, add not too much water, so that the mixture resembles clay. Cover the rough parts of the first layer randomly, leaving irregular rough spaces to make it look natural. On the front side, I formed a pattern like a coral cliff that has been eroded. You can use examples of images on the internet as inspiration. Do it patiently and carefully, so that the entire surface of the frame is formed according to your imagination. Wait until the cement hardens a bit and is not soft for the detail process. I pinched it to form sharp edges and irregular curves. After this process is complete, leave it for 24 hours for the cement layer to dry. Now we enter the painting stage. For the base I use black acrylic wall paint, brush it evenly over the entire surface of the pot. After this process is complete, let the paint layer dry completely. For the second layer of painting, use brown. Place the paint on a flat surface, spread the paint thinly on the surface, then start brushing in one direction on the surface of the pot. Do this repeatedly until the desired color thickness is achieved. On the last layer, apply a thin layer of white, brushing in one direction until the desired color thickness is achieved. Hopefully this idea can inspire you. If you have any questions about the creation process, please leave a comment, and if this idea helps you, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next inspiring content. May happiness always be with you.